Crafting profits, modern woodworking projects to turn your passion into cash. Woodworking as a profitable venture. Woodworking is more than just a hobby. It's a lucrative business opportunity for those passionate about crafting with wood. This segment introduces listeners to the world of woodworking, emphasizing how transforming a passion for building into a profitable venture can lead to financial independence and personal satisfaction. With the right skills and creativity, anyone can turn their ideas into sellable products. 2. Identifying market trends. Understanding what sells is crucial in woodworking. This segment discusses the importance of researching current market trends, including popular styles and materials. Listeners will learn how to analyze consumer demands, such as eco-friendly products or minimalist designs, to create pieces that resonate with potential customers. Keeping track of trends through social media, design blogs, and local craft fairs can inspire new project ideas. 3. Project ideas that sell. This segment dives into specific woodworking projects that have proven to be profitable. From custom furniture and home decor items to outdoor furniture and pet accessories, listeners will gain insight into various niches within woodworking. Each project type will be explored, highlighting why it appeals to customers and what unique features can make a product stand out. 4. Quality craftsmanship, the key to success. Quality is paramount in woodworking. In this segment, we discuss the significance of meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail. Listeners will learn how high-quality materials and superior construction methods not only enhance the product's appeal, but also influence customer satisfaction and repeat business. Building a reputation for quality can lead to word-of-mouth referrals and a loyal customer base. 5. Marketing your woodworking creations. Once projects are created, effective marketing is essential to reach potential buyers. This segment covers various marketing strategies, including setting up an online shop, using social media platforms, and participating in local craft fairs. Listeners will learn how to showcase their work through appealing photography and engaging storytelling, helping to connect with potential customers on a personal level. 6. Pricing your work for profit. Determining the right price for woodworking projects can be challenging. This segment discusses pricing strategies, including calculating material costs, labor time, and market comparisons. Listeners will learn the importance of valuing their work appropriately, ensuring they cover costs while still remaining competitive in the market. Understanding perceived value versus actual costs can help maximize profits. 7. Building a brand around your craft. Establishing a brand identity can set woodworkers apart in a crowded market. In this segment, we explore how to create a cohesive brand that reflects personal values and style.